So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and today I want to share with you guys some very good and exciting news. So I recently became a brand ambassador for Curls Dynasty, which is a black owned hair company. So I'm really excited to be a part of this team. I've always wanted to try their products. They've always been on my list, but I never got a chance to do that because, as y'all see, I've been wearing a lot of wigs and I've been really neglecting my natural hair this year. So I'm so excited to use these products because that gives me a chance to work with my hair again and see how these products work. So for this video, I am going to be unboxing the products that I received. I will also let you guys know a little bit more about Curls Dynasty in case you are not familiar with them, and I will let you guys know where you can buy their products in stores. And of course, as a brand ambassador, I do have a discount code for you guys to use at checkout if you see any products that you are interested in using. So if you are interested in hearing about all of this good information about Curls Dynasty, then keep watching. So today I received my package from Curls Dynasty. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys everything that I got. I will also let you guys know the price point for these products that I received as well. Okay, so I had got one of the bundles that they have. I got the Wash and Slay bundle, which came with the Kalahari Smoothie Leave-In, Give Me a Sleep Blast Hydration Conditioner, the Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo, the Vanilla Cream Custard Curl Defining Cream, and the Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment Deep Conditioning Mask. So in the Wash and Slay bundle, it retails for, I believe, $75 and some change. I don't remember the exact number, but I will put it down below in the description box for you guys. So first of all, the packaging is super cute. I love how it's all gold and then it has Curls Dynasty up here. Very pretty. And the same for these as well. Very cute packaging. So the Cocoa Mint Moisture Rich Shampoo, as y'all see, this is one of the tops where you turn it and then you would just go like that. I'm not going to demonstrate it, but I am going to open it to see how it smells. Okay, it smells good. Definitely smells minty. So next is the Give Me Slip Blast Hydration Conditioner. Not bad. This is one where you do that and then, you know, squeeze it. The next one is the Kalahari Smoothie Leave-In. I think I said that incorrectly the first time. As you guys can see, this one is a pump and this is a leave-in conditioner. Ooh, this one smells. Ooh, this one smells really good. Next is the Vanilla Cream Custard Curl Defining Cream. So it's in a little jar. Ooh, oh, that smells so good. This one and the leave-in conditioner smells similar. And the Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment Deep Conditioning Mask. Okay. Really? This one smells good. Definitely can smell like the pumpkin. So for the shampoo, it's known for moisturizing and purifying. It's for all hair types. Works great for very dry, thick, kinky textures in need of moisture. And it's made with aloe, shea, natural oils, and a vitamin. The Give Me Slip Conditioner, co-wash, condition, and detangle, gentle cleanser, powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softens, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthier hair growth, and retention for all hair types. Works great for dry hair in need of oil-free moisture and hydration and detangling benefit. Next is the Smoothie Leave-In. This is powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softens, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthier hair growth and retention for all hair types. Works great for porous, curly, kinky, very dry hair types in need of hydration. The Pumpkin Mint Deep Treatment infuses and restores moisture, grows and helps retain length, adds softness, shine, and manageability, strengthens weak hair cuticles, and prevents breakage. Great for straightening, natural, relax, and transitioning dry damage overly porous hair types, and it's also for all hair types. And lastly, the Vanilla Cream Custard. A stronghold curl definer, provides definition, shine, bounce, and softness. Minimize tangles and breakage. Ooh, my stomach is growling. Minimize tangles and breakage, no crunch, no flakes, and wonderful for all curl patterns. So I'm very excited to use these products because I'm natural. I want to see how they work with my curls. My hair is low porosity, so I want to see what exactly these products do as far as moisture. I'm just very excited. So I will do a separate video demonstrating using all of these products from start to finish. So you guys definitely look out for that in the future. Aside from the Curls Dynasty website, you can find Curl Dynasty products, I believe, at Target and at your local beauty supply store. So if you need something real quick, you can just go to Curl Dynasty on their website and go to the locator, and it will show you in your area where you can get their products from. Now, so far, out of all the products that I've seen on their website, probably the only one that I won't be using, I think it's one of their hair oils, because it has sweet almond extract in it or something like that, and I'm allergic to every nut, so I'm not even going to, you know, take that risk. So unfortunately, I probably won't be using that, but they do have a couple of other things that I saw that I do want to get, so I will be getting that as well. So as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you 15% off, so I will leave it in the description box below, and I will pin it down in the comments, but my code is LINDM15. So I left it right here like I always do, so make sure you guys use that code at checkout to save you some coins. But that is pretty much it for this video. I'm very excited to use these products, and I want to thank Curls Dynasty for allowing me to join the team. I am so honored, and I'm so happy to be a brand ambassador for a Black owned hair company, especially a real popular one. So like I said, I will be using these products soon, and I will film the process for you guys and give you a whole review on them. But anywho, if you guys have heard of Curls Dynasty, if you use any of their products, let me know down below in the comments what you think about them. Let me know which one was your favorite product. Let me know which one wasn't. All of that good stuff. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in my next one.